Okay, we are back with a follow-up video for Starlink Mini. First, I made an unboxing video, and so that I would circle back and follow up about how it was going. So I've been on the road now for a while. I've driven from Washington all the way down to California, and I am here just outside of Joshua Tree National Park. And I do have some thoughts. So first of all, less than 2 months after I got the Starlink Mini, it stopped working. It worked fine one day. I went to go plug it in, and then it wouldn't even turn on. So just keep that in mind. This is still a fairly new product. So at first I was super pissed because I've had this thing for less than 2 months, and then all of a sudden it just stops working. And of course I paid like way more money than I ever wanted to for it. The good news is I called Starlink, and within a week they had already resolved it. They could see that it wasn't turning on, and they sent me a brand new one for free. So while it was like a really bad situation, at least their customer service was good and turned it around in a super quick time. The other good news is that I was someplace stationary, so I'd gone home for the holidays and was staying at my family farm. I was able to have a solid address for it to be shipped to. It would have been so much worse if I was stuck like I am here out in the middle of Joshua Tree and didn't have a place to send it. So luckily that was not the case. We got it sent back. I have a brand new Mini. That was back in December, and now it's just the beginning of March, and I haven't had any issues with it since. So like I said, just keep that in mind when or if you're thinking about getting a Starlink Mini. It is a fairly new product, and there are obviously some kinks that they are still working out. At least that is what the Starlink rep on the phone told me when I was getting my new one. So now that I do have my Starlink working again, I got some new products, new accessories for it from this amazing company called StarGear. They specialize just in accessories for Starlink. And so I'm going to unbox those now and give you my honest review. Okay, so first up, and probably the one I'm most excited about, is this Starlink Mini magnetic mount. It's made out of high-strength aluminum and comes with these 4 extra-strength magnets. It's super easy to assemble. You just screw them onto the base. And now that all the magnets are on, let's go ahead and attach it to the actual Starlink using this tool that comes in the box. Once you've removed the kickstand from the Starlink Mini, just insert the magnetic mount in the correct direction and press until you hear it click into place. Then use the provided tool to tighten both screws. This helps prevent theft and any accidental disconnections from the power cord. Once both screws are tight, the mount should be securely fastened to the dish of the Starlink Mini. And now that we have the mount assembled and clipped on, the only thing left to do is go test it out on the roof and make sure that it sticks. So let's go. Okay, let's test it out. Moment of truth. That is stuck. Let's see if I can get it off. Works pretty good. I don't think that's going anywhere. Next up is this liquid silicone case, also from StarGear. It's basically like a phone case, but for your Mini. It comes with this black sticker to cover the front of the dish, but we'll get more into that later. The silicone is so soft and it feels super high quality and durable. It also looks really easy to put on, so let's test it out. Oh yeah, look at that. It slips right on, easy peasy, and it fits super snug. So clearly this covers the back really well, but not as much the front. It's really made for people who use their Starlink through a window because it comes with this peel and stick black cover to prevent reflections on the windows, which is a great idea, but I like to keep my Starlink on my roof, so this probably isn't the best case for me personally because I would like a little more coverage on the front of the dish to protect it from any of the outdoor elements. But the sticker is really easy to put on. Like I said, the silicone is amazing quality and super durable, so if you do tend to use your Starlink through a window, then this could be the perfect case for you. The third and final StarGear accessory I got is this 10-foot DC power cable that can plug into a cigarette lighter. Normally, I just use my inverter to power my Starlink through an AC outlet, but that does draw a lot of power. So this cable is great because it's like a backup. If I ever want to conserve any power from my battery bank, I can just plug it into my car instead. This cord is equipped with high quality 16 AWG wiring for consistent performance. It was tested with a 13.145 volt power supply and a 5 amp load. The voltage drop is only 0.2 volts after 30 minutes of continuous load. The temperature rise is also minimal at just 0.6 degrees Celsius. I also have this handy portable power station from Renogy, which conveniently also has a cigarette lighter port. This means that as long as I have this cable and the power station, I can take and use my Starlink literally anywhere. So, final thoughts on all the StarGear products. I'm a big fan. I think they're super high quality products. They have much more than I've showed you. I think they have an entire Amazon storefront and they sell things for the regular size Starlink as well as the Mini. If you do like any of the ones that I've showed you in this video, you can get 20% off by using the links in the description below. I would highly suggest, at minimum, getting a mount or a case, just because you pay a lot of money for this product. You want to keep it protected. The main reason why I wanted a mount is because I usually keep my Starlink up on my roof, and if there are high winds at night, it would blow that thing right off. So not only is it anti-theft, like it locks in super tight, it keeps people from taking it, but it also keeps it attached to your roof and makes sure that it's not going anywhere. This product that you just spent a lot of money on isn't going to be kicked across the campground somewhere. And I think that's all I've got for you guys today. Again, you can get 20% off by using the links in my description, and I will see you guys later. Bye.